Hey, I'm Holly and I help you shop and travel affordably. Today I'm going to be going through my top 22 Amazon favourites of 2022. Let's begin. Just to note, these are in no particular order. All links are below in my description. Okay, first up is this USB candle lighter. I got it in black, but it does come in different colours as well. What I love about it is that the neck bends and it lights any candle. Amazing. Guys, this is my favourite travel find. Look how adorable this is. So this is a travel wallet and it has space for your notes, coins, boarding pass, credit cards as a keychain, SIM card, ID card, credit cards, and you pop your passport in here. And I always carry a pen, but just look how compact this is and adorable, and it fits everywhere and has all your documents all in one place. This is an AirPod cleaning pen. It is really compact and it has a cleaning pen for your case and also get all the gunk out of your AirPods, and a little wee brush as well. Can you see that? See that there? And you can also pop that back in and use that as a pen. Calling all Apple Watch users, this is an Apple Watch power bank. Look how cute this is. If you forget to charge your Apple Watch, which I do more often than I care to admit, this is perfect. Works just like a power bank, but just for your Apple Watch. So it has the lights to show you how much battery is left, and even comes with a little key ring so you can attach it to your keys. This is a waterproof bum bag. It comes in a pack of 2 and it securely keeps all your belongings dry. It has like 3 Ziploc seals here. It surprisingly fits a lot in it. This is perfect for water sports. I've taken this kayaking, and when I go to the beach solo and I want to take my phone and belongings with me so it doesn't get stolen, it simply clips around your waist, so it's perfect. This is a detachable phone grip. I love having a grip so that I can hold my phone because I feel like I'm going to drop it in my face or in bed or something, but I also want to use wireless charging, so you can just twist this off and voila, you can wirelessly charge your phone. It's amazing, and it's really easy just to slip it back on again. This is a box cutter. This makes opening packaging so much easier. It comes with a safety blade. Can you see that black? So you can just pop that down, and you can even change the blades once it becomes blunt. Honestly, amazing product. The best productivity hack I found in 2022 is the Pomodoro method. You essentially work for 25 minutes and then have a 5-minute break, and this cube is amazing for that. It actually has 5, 15, 25 and 45-minute timers, and you can have it with sound or lights or both, and it just takes 2 AAA batteries. Next up we have this portable jewelry case. Look how gorgeous this is. It fits a lot of your jewelry inside with space for rings, earrings and even necklaces, and fits up in this compact little case. Cute! Coming in next we have a identity theft roller stamp. This keeps all your documents safe, I guess. It comes with 6 refills and comes in different colours. I quite like the grey, and it completely seals your information so no one can steal your address or anything. So guys, this is the only tripod that you need to take travelling with you, whether you're going solo or with friends. This is perfect. It can reach a height of 1.5 meters, and it even has a Bluetooth clicker, which is so handy, let me tell you. For those of you that love taking photos, this is a selfie ring light that is USB charged. Let me show you what it's like on my phone. So you simply just click it on, and then you've got 3 different light settings. And believe me, it makes a huge difference when you take a picture. For anyone that gets eaten alive abroad, this is a mosquito pen. How it works is you just pop it on your bite this way round, like this, and then click it. And it's so small, look at that compared to my hand, and comes with a handy keyring. It uses like kinetic energy and it somehow stops you from itching. I don't know how it works, but it is amazing. One of the biggest hacks that I can give you in 2022 while traveling is to get an AirTag and pop it into your hold luggage. That's if you're carrying check-in luggage. Now TSA have allowed AirTags because there's not enough lithium battery in there. Before you couldn't have them. And then I bought this little adorable keyring to put inside my AirTag so I don't lose it, and I can track my luggage at all times. Okay guys, this one is for anyone who wears Doc Martens. These are heel protectors, and when you break in new Doc Martens, everyone always gets blisters on their heels, and these are just amazing. Actually, you could use these for any boots. They're surprisingly comfortable as well, and I'm so glad I found this because now I love my Doc Martens. Another travel find is this miniature pill box that can hold a surprisingly amount of medicine in. So it has 2 big compartments and 6 smaller ones, and this can actually come out, I believe, she says. Yeah, comes out like so, and then you can pop them back in again. It comes with a pack of 2, so I got a white and a blue one. And I believe they're really, really affordable as well, and perfect for keeping all your medication in place. I'm struggling to put that back in, but there you go. For anyone that has a laptop that doesn't have any USB ports, annoyingly, I don't know why they don't do that anymore, this adapter is a godsend. So it uses USB-C to plug into your laptop, and then it has 3 USB ports and even has an SD card holder and even a HDMI port. Amazing. Guys, this is the only kitchen gadget that I have in my selection. It is a clip-on, like drainer. I was gonna say a colander, but it's a drainer. So you click it on your pot and it just drains everything without losing all your food. So you get all the water out, and it even comes with this little funnel as well. Next we have a screen cleaner. I love this pink one. It's like a lipstick size. It comes in this protective casing, and you simply spray it onto your screen, and it comes with like this ribbed bit here and microfiber to clean your screen, and then this is washable as well. It looks like this on the inside, so I just filled it up with anti-bac spray and then pop it in there. If it will go in. There we go. For anyone who has recently got an iPad and is looking for a case, this case is actually one of the best cases I've found. So it comes with a keyboard with a mouse pad, can I add, and then this stand works really well because you can put your laptop on vertical or horizontal depending on how you're working, because sometimes I like to work vertical, and usually the cases are all like landscape vertical, which is not a fan. They do come in different colours as well if pink is not your thing, but obviously all my stuff's pink. Okay, this extension cable is amazing. So it has 6 USB ports, and these plugs will use in any country. Like, I've even put my toothbrush charger, that awkward 2-point pin fits in there. I've used Europe plug, obviously English plugs as well, and you've got 3 of those. And the biggest hack I can give you is to plug this into an international adapter when you're going abroad, and look, you've got 3 plugs and 6 USBs. Amazing. They also now do a USB-C, which is a newer version, so I'll link that below as well if you're interested. And finally, probably the oddest device on my list, a vertical mouse. You're probably thinking, why do I need a vertical mouse? Now, I love using a mouse on my laptop, and I find that the flatness of the mouse always gives me cramps in my hands, and someone said try a vertical mouse, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna purchase one, and I haven't looked back. So it like promotes your natural, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, like of your arm to hand, and all the buttons are the same. It's just a bit odd to start with, but I absolutely love it. So I find that if you are on the computer a lot, I would advise trying a vertical mouse and see if it helps with the achiness of your hand arm. But yeah, I love it. This is from Jellycomb. Guys, that is everything on my list for today. We're finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you get any of the products, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye guys.